Well, here we are. Trying to use this fucking thing. I went and had it filled and it sprung a leak. So, now I got rubber hose and some fucking hose clamp on there. I can't hear it.
Hey, mobile to the rescue again.
I don't hear anything. Hopefully that fucking works. We'll see once I heat it up if it starts spraying nitrous out. Well, it's at 800. So far it's holding. See if it purges any better. Not really. That's kind of upsetting. Oh well. Oh, that felt good. Oh, yeah. Oh, I miss the nitrous so much. Oh, God, that felt good. Oh, damn it, boy. Oh, that felt fucking good. Holy shit. Oh, that was perfect. Man, I miss that fucking nitrous. Woohoo! Oh, boy. Oh, that was great. Oh, that felt fucking good. 760? Yeah. I had a 360 foot at 110. It's a fucking slower time, but goddamn, that was moving on the back half. Do you notice anything different?
Not really.
Hell yeah. It's just a 50 shot, but it felt good. Hell yeah. Thanks, brother. with a 2.360 foot. I left really easy. It was felt good. I hope that's on camera. Hell yeah, brother. We're still going. It's not focused though. Whew, that felt good.
They're trying to stop you because
They said something was leaking or something. I don't know what they're talking about.
rub underneath the car.
There's not a damn thing. There was a car before you, and they just didn't catch it. And I wasn't paying attention to the thing. I was paying attention to you, expecting the traction was going to be ready for it.
It was like,
I couldn't really focus that early. I think that version looked a lot better
It was
than
a
he.
slow ass time because I left it. It was a 2.360 foot. I went 760 and 110, 30.
that's the plan. That's the plan. I think it's about ready.
I think when it heats up outside and everything, that bird will look a lot better. Because there's actually a decent amount coming out. It's just not looking.
I know, it doesn't look as cool as it used to.
I think it'll look a lot better when it heats up outside.
I hope so. When it gets like, oh my bad. When it gets like, what you call it? All right, let's get one more pass in. That sounded different. I don't know if that sounded good or not. I kind of smell something. That smells a little funny. Temps are at 203. That's not horrible, but it smelled a little different. I don't know about that one. I don't know. Did that sound funny? Did that sound funny? Was it backfiring when I shifted?
Yes,
It was? I don't know. What is it?
742.
Yeah?
Thanks, pretty stout.
The what?
It seemed pretty stout that time.
Yeah?
Yeah,
What was a mile an hour?
111.
Oh, that's a PB. Hell yeah. That ain't bad. 742 at 111.95. That picked up. Hell yeah. Well, I guess we put a 100 shot in it now. Hell yeah. Thanks, brother. We'll see ya. All right. 742 and 111.95. That was good. It's a 2-160 foot. 21.8. I need to spray it lower for sure. That was a really shitty 60 foot. That felt good though. Hell yeah. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. take it. All right. Well, that was interesting. It backfired like crazy. You can be in the video, Keon. It's okay. Ah. Did you hear it backfiring in the shifts? Between shifts?
I did not.
Were you down here?
No, I was there.
I thought I heard it backfiring. Kevin said at the booth said he heard it.
Was?
Yeah. I was like, did that sound funny? And then I smelled something. I think I smelled E85. So I'm wondering if it was just pushing out of the catch can really hard. Probably.
Did it do it? Was it any faster?
742 at 111.95. So basically 112 miles an hour. Yeah.
It looked fast.
And that was
really fast.
It felt fast.
Yeah, it looked
That was with a 2.18 60 foot.
okay.
So I mean that's not bad.
How do you have the spray set up? When does it come on?
75% throttle and 5,000 RPM. Yeah. I don't know when it cuts off. I'm not sure. I forgot to look at that in the tune. Hopefully it's 75.
It should be at 7 when it drops back under 75.
Yeah.
It should.
But the AFR was doing, when I let off the gas, it was like fucking 9 point something AFR on D-cell. I don't know. It's freaking out. It doesn't know what to do anymore. It's like, I thought you weren't going to do this to me again. We were over this. Hell yeah. All right.
How was it? At a 7.4.
Hey, that P for part, not passenger, ain't it? Here we go. Come on, let's go. I love it.
Wait, back up.
Just like a chinky.
How about a 7.4 at 111.95? With a 2.8. 2.18. It's just a 50 shot.
Alright, my Cobra taking on my BMW.
Well, we pulled 4 degrees out. I think it